Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Today we will see an important action plan for preparation SSC May 2021. I mean non-stop 100 days SSC Biological Science. If you study with perfect planning, exam can be celebrated as festival. That's why success can be achieved by planning, rememorizing and writing. I mean practice. So here is the 100 days action plan for the subject biological science. As this year we have only one paper for both physical science and biological science. Right? On day 1, chapter name is nutrition, food supplying system. You have to learn the lesson, understand and memorize the keywords and explanation, learn to draw figures, mind maps and charts. And from day 1 to day 10, you have to cover chapter number 1, nutrition, that is food supplying system. You have to learn through main points and MCQs, multiple choice questions. You have to learn to draw figures, mind maps, etc. And then from the day 11, we have to start second chapter, that is respiration. Respiration chapter we have to cover. That is from 11th February 2021 and up to 19th February 2021. Then after that we have from 20th to 24th we need to study third chapter, that is transportation, the circulatory system. That is up to 24th February 2021. Then we have 3 days FA1 revision. First lesson, second lesson and third lesson. And from 28th February 2021 we have slip test, FA1 slip test. After that, after completion of FA1 exams, once again we have more 5 days session, 6 days session for transportation, the circulatory system, which is an important chapter. Then after that, from 10th March 2021, we have chapter number 4, that is excretion, the wastage disposing system. Here also you have to learn the lesson, understand and memorize the keywords and the explanation, learn to draw figures, mind maps, charts, use material or notes for better preparation. Better for biological science, after reading the lesson you have to prepare your own classwork, own notes, so that that material will be useful at the end of the examination. After that, that is from 19th March we have fourth chapter. Then from 20th to 29th, 20th to 27th, I mean up to 28th, we have coordination, the linkage system. This session for fifth chapter, learn through the questions and also main points, multiple choice questions, etc. Then after that we have FA2 revision, leftover part of third lessons, then up to sixth lesson, then fourth lesson, fifth lesson. After that we have FA2 slip test. After FA2 slip test we have again sixth chapter up to 15th April 2021, reproduction, the generating system. Then after that from 16th we have eighth chapter, heredity, from parent to pregnancy, right? It is up to 24th April 2021 to 27th April 2021. Then after that we have revision from 28th April 2021 to 4th May 2021. Then after that we have free final exams we have to revise the complete lessons, whatever the leftover portion we have left, that we have to cover here. Okay, I guess you will follow this 100 days action plan so that it will be useful for you. You can achieve good score, right? All the best for the running point of your life. Thank you from AKN Sprint Education. You like my videos? If you like my videos, please do subscribe, do like and comment. Thank you.